So the old window on the Lightnin won't quite go all the way up. Looks like we got about 3/8 of an inch of gap, or ½ inch of gap. And it's a little chilly on that ride to work in the morning. So we're gonna go ahead and rip her apart, see what we can't figure out. First thing you're gonna want to do is take the window cranks off. So that's just a set screw on each one. Make sure you note the way that they're clocked so that next time you put them in the exact spot that's bangs into your knee every time you close the door. Ooh, that's factory right there. Then you're going to want to take your Phillips, or whatever type of stripped out screw you got in there holding the armrest down. Go ahead and strip them on a little bit more. That's been on there a while. Then take all your perimeter screws out that hold the door panel on. And then you get your screw bar, pry her off after you make sure you got all the bolts out. Get that one too. Go ahead and set that off to the side. And then put your handle back on and try to figure out what's causing the excess play. Oh, yeah, there's the problem. Since everybody wants to know where Duffy's at in all my videos, he's right there, supervising. So you got these two rollers that ride in this track and hold the window up and down. You can see that one is not in place. And I've been driving this thing for like 4 years like that. So let's go ahead and see what we can do to resolve that. So we got these 4 screws out on the perimeter of the wing window. I think there's a couple down here. Looks like they're 3/8 socket and ratchet on a cordless impact would be real handy. Take them off. Ratchet assistant! Vanna White's way more attractive than you. Yeah. Right. Turn it the right way when you hand it to me. Not even an extension, a swivel. We're really getting after it. Then you just push that down. Make sure that that window that's just barely hanging on by a thread doesn't fall down there and break. Then you'll really have some wind noise. Set that off to the side. Alright. Back. Screw back in. Stupid clutch heads. You're still using those in 63. Alright. Still doesn't go all the way out. It's tight on that roller. It's a lot better than it was. I like how they didn't take the effort to take those handful of screws out and got overspray on the window. Maybe they did, just not. Nope, they definitely did it when they painted the white on the outside. Body guys are the best. That's right, Zach's a body guy. Apparently some of these screws are different lengths, so what's your guess as to which one goes where? We'll find out when the AC doesn't work. We're done. Frost Sweater 2000 on. You should make these in half-inch drives so you can just go ahead and twist everything right off. Something irrelevant. Let's test her out. Are you kidding me? So where here is the play at in the regulator itself?
I bet it's that arm that goes up.
I bet it's not because it's went up 14,000 bajillion times.
Oh, will be eventually.
These Chinese clutch head screwdrivers they fit real well.
I'm sure they're really thin and enamel paint helps also.
Lucas Jacobson got me. Shout out to Lucas Jacobson! Like you said, I think we're just gonna... take it all back apart. Fine. Insert doink sound. Right. So how does this fish out of here? Oh. Somebody has had her apart before. That nylock does not look factory. And I'm guessing that in there, it's probably not supposed to be there either. All right, we got this arm straightened out. Stuck her in the vise, pried on a little bit, got it pretty good. And then we put a flange head nut on there and put a different Allen screw back in, similar to what was in there. I think you got to have that for the clearance. And then we welded that nut to it because this hole was walleted out way too bad, and that's where we got all our play. So this rivet here is still a little bit wonky, but it'll be a lot better than it was. Some squirrel piss on there. Thanks, Squirrel Piss Assistant, for picking that up, kicking everything over. So now I think we put this in there and get the window on it, and then tighten hardware. So make sure you got this piece here horizontal-ish, and these two rollers hook on your window track. This one hooks in the track down on the bottom of the door. Show you where your high dollar TIG welding gloves as you do this. It's like my arms are drunk. All right, go in your home. How do people get their arms in these things? Shut the window was noisy before. Wait till you don't have one. Do the back one first, actually, I think. The right thing to do here would be to throw this hardware away. Put 1/4-inch Allen heads in, but not happening.
Next time.
Maybe. The next time I have it apart for sure. This keeps it factory originals, you know, so when we take her to Barrett Jackson, this thing's low mileage. Just rolled 75,700 today.
Saying in advance.
No point doing it right the first time, because there's always that next time. Moment of truth. That'd take us half hour. Oh, and it rolls up so much nicer. Probably because it's in the track now. So we got our wing window hardware tightened up. Got our door panel back on. Armrest. Window cranks clocked the same way they were. Look at that. A little lubrication on there. Good to go. So yeah. Make sure you click like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, ring the bell. Whatever you gotta do.
Oh.
Great way to fix your window regulator for free. You don't have to buy some aftermarket stuff that's probably not even gonna be as good as the original stuff. Thanks everybody for watching. Doesn't matter how you get it done, just make sure you're out there having fun.